Hello, and welcome to a piano tutorial where I show you how to play the pieces in the primer level lesson book of the Piano Adventure Faber series, second edition. Yours might be slightly different, but the concepts are the same. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe and share the video. It's much appreciated. We just learned how to play all of the letter white notes, and now you're learning about measures. So I'm going to play Men from Mars, and then we'll break it down and talk about measures for a moment. My hands are in a C5 finger scale. That's middle C for me. And here we go. That's it. If you just need to listen to make sure you're playing it correctly, that's how it should sound. And you can even play it a little louder since it is forte. Now, we have groups of, we know that our notes have certain amounts of beats. Quarter notes have 1 beat, half notes have 2 beats, and so on. Now we're just going to have a visual group of 4 counts. So every 4 counts, they're going to draw a line in the music, so you get a measure or a bar. That's what this thin line is. So you can play this piece lots of ways, aside from just simply playing the notes. We could play the letters, or say the letters. Well, we play C, C, D, D, E, E, F. Or I could count the beats, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then my half note, 1, 2. I could also count to 4 while I play, which is a little more difficult, but also a very powerful tool like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that way I know what part of the measure, what beat in the measure I'm playing. So I would encourage you, if you haven't tried this before, write down notes in your music, not actual notes, but things that help you play, such as the finger number you're playing or the beat that you're playing. Or maybe on the half notes, you just write 1, 2, so that you remember that those get 2 counts instead of 1. I think that'll get you started on this song, but if you have any questions, let me know. Good luck and have fun.